Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making spinach and egg stir fry. I believe you guys are pretty familiar to spinach and egg stir fry. It's same here in Japan. It's super popular here. It's good for side dish. It's super easy to make and the taste will be super yummy. Alright, let's get started! The ingredients for spinach and egg stir fry is only two: spinach and egg. Plus you need water to simmer the spinach first and sesame oil to stir fry the spinach and egg. For seasoning, you need 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sake, and a half teaspoon of chicken soup stock powder. Lastly, just add a pinch of pepper on it. We got 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to simmer the spinach. When you bring water to boil, then turn off the stove and put the clean spinach in. Leave it for a minute and put it out of the pan and dip it into the bowl of room temperature water for a minute. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Step number 2 is to stir fry the egg. After you beat an egg in a bowl, heat the pan and add in the sesame oil and stir fry the egg with medium heat. You just slightly stir fry it at this stage. I mean, not to the full. It's more like you half stir fry it. Put it out of the pan once, clean the pan if it's needed, and go on to step 3. Step 3 is to stir fry the simmered spinach. Add more sesame oil in the pan and add in the simmered spinach and heat it for about a minute with medium heat. Then add in the half-fried egg and mix. Step number 4 is to season. Just season it with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sake, half teaspoon of chicken soup stock powder, and lastly add in a pinch of pepper. That's it. Sounds super easy, doesn't it? Alright, let's go on to step 1. Alright, what are we going to step 1? Step 1 is to simmer the spinach first. In a saucepan like this, pour in the water, bring it to a boil. I forgot to tell about you need a pinch of salt in it. During you waiting the water to get boiled, clean the spinach. Yeah, the spinach is cleaned. Then prepare a bowl of room temperature water as well. When you bring the water to boil like this, turn off the stove. Then add in the spinach from the stem part to the leaf part. The same step to the spinach ohitashi video and wait for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed, so why don't you dip the spinach into room temperature water. Yeah, like this. It's exactly same with spinach ohitashi video. And then set another 1 minute timer and just wait the spinach to get cooled down. Okay, another 1 minute had passed, so it's time to put the spinach out of the pan. Yeah, like this. It's not hot anymore. And remove water. Yeah, with your hands. Okay, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Throw these parts away. Okay. Try removing excess water again. Yeah, here. Yeah, and set it aside. Why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to prepare the egg. First, you beat it. Right. After you heat the pan, add in sesame oil, about 1 teaspoon, I guess. Heat the beaten egg with medium heat. Right, half stir fry. It's alright. Stop it halfway there. It's enough. Put it out of the pan. Yeah, clean the pan with a paper towel or something like this. It'll work. Alright, we're going to go to step 3. Alright, we're going to go on to step 3. Step 3 is to stir fry the simmered spinach. Add more sesame oil and then put the spinach into the pan. Yeah, medium heat, 1 minute. Right now, 1 minute has passed, so when we go into egg stuff, heat the egg as well. Okay, when we go on to step 4, looks nice. So, why don't you go on to step 4? Right now it's time to go to step 4. Step 4 is to season with 1 teaspoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of chicken soup stock powder. Lastly, with a pinch of pepper in it. Right, that's it. Okay, looks nice. Why don't we plate it? Yeah, it's time to plate. Yeah, it's time to plate spinach and egg stir fry. Alright, now the spinach and egg stir fry is ready to go. Alright, now you know to make spinach and egg stir fry is super easy. It's good for side dish, it's super easy to make, and the taste will be super yummy. So why don't you try making it at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching, and leave some message down below, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.